town center. Okay. So nice din naman. Kaya. Let's go. Let's sit muna. Yan. Okay. Nice garbage house. Okay. Okay, tinakita mo sa vlog, no? Itong kalye na to. Okay, we will walk and walk and walk here. Hoping na yes, we have enough time naman, no? Sana lang. Where's the chaya? Okay. It's a nice place, really. Canada is a nice place. I like Canada. 12:40. Well, Canada's ice cream. Let's try that. Okay, we'll try that later. And the cows here. Bump Dog House. Balkan. Okay. Lots and lots of shops here. Huh? Blue House. Candy. Okay, I hope maybe hindi natin makikita yun. Maaaring nawala na tayo. Chaya na eh. Let's McDonald's na lang tayo. Tapos mag-ice cream. Oh! McDonald's tapos ice cream. Lululayama, no? Evolution. Okay, we have North Face here. Beaver tail, no? The keg. Ale. Tommy's Pub. Okay, Greek restaurant, no? Dancing Sasquatch. Ayan, tsaka. Ayan, left. Okay.
It's a nightclub.
It's a nice place here. Oh, that's closed.
Close?
Closed. Please call again. That's bad. Okay. Ako ay McDonald's lang. I don't know ikaw. Okay. I'll buy yan muna. Sige. Okay. I'll try the McDonald's burger here in Canada. Yeah. Try ko naman dito. Yes. Let me try. Want to try, huh? Okay. Let's go. Okay, ano pong nabili mo? What's that? Bump sandwich? Bump wrap magnet?
And then pang Christmas decor.
Christmas decors? Okay, eat na. Samahan kita.
Hindi ako kakain.
Ha?
Doon ko gusto kumain.
O tara, samahan kita. Samahan kita. Ay, sarap. Duro. Okay, let's walk po around here. It's a Banff, a very popular place, no, for tourists here in Canada. 12:40. Huh? Clock Tower, oh. Mall pala yan, eh. High rollers. Okay. Brewing. Ah. Saan? Ah, so? Pambihirang patis. Hindi pa kumakain ito kasama ko. Pasyal, shopping ng shopping. Okay? Tawid. Okay, good. Sige. Siram ako rito. Mother, sige, bili ka.
O, pagbalik na lang.
Balik na, mabigat yan eh.
Gusto mo pumunta doon? Doon? Doon tayo siguro.
Sige.
Parang wala na dito parking.
Okay. Okay, welcome to Korean street food. Bingsu. Bingsu.
Tapos babalikan natin.
Okay, let's order bingsu. Okay, amoy Korean dito. Sa labas na ako. What's this? Ice cream. Here, hot dog. Okay, let's check the ice cream. Anything with nuts? Ice cream with nuts? What's that? Okay, give me one scoop. Okay. Okay, what's good in Canada? It's the ice cream. Full of nuts. Sarap. So, yes, enjoy life while alive.
Lang sa park kumakain. Kasi,
Yeah. Ano yung order mo lang? Ha? What's that?
bulgogi. Sayang wala yung
Very good. Oh. And now, ito pa ating Korean ano, Korean visitor sa Bamp. Okay, how's the hanky bulgogi? Spicy.
Sinipon ako, grabe. Sabi ko mild lang. Mild pa ba to? Eh, meron parang 1, 2, 3. Ayan.
Oh.
May extra hot, medium, light.
So, ano, extra hot yan? Extra hot?
Light pa nga lang kasi sinipon ako.
Oh, talagang ka light pa lang yan? Oh, no. Okay. Enjoy ho natin itong lugar na to. Maganda, malamig ang weather. Okay, this is Banff here in Calgary, Canada. Enjoy, let's walk lang. No? Yeah?
Go.
Okay, ito po tayo ngayon. Nag-snow dito sa ibabaw ng aking ulo. Okay, let's go. Okay. Lamig. Ano? Season, ha? Seasoning, ha?
One more. What?
Uy, that's too much already, ha? You must stay here. Okay, it's a photographer, professional photographer today. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's enjoy the weather here today. Sarap. Rocky Mountain Chocolate, labo. Pucha, oh. Mahal yan, yan.
Ay, yung ice cream.
Ano yan? Ice cream?
Ice cream na.
Kain ko? Sarap? Hindi ka enjoy sa ice cream? Pararap. Sige.
Basta hanggang doon pa lang, huwag ka lalagpas yung malayo.
No, no.
Your store now. Here to Chris. Yeah. Love it over here.
And now, andito tayo nga sa bump. Indo, nag-enjoy ng winter. Winter in September. Yes, yan po yung itsura ng bump. Okay. It's winter in September. Meron pong winter sa September? Of course not. Okay, enjoy lang natin itong ating fur coat. Yes, enjoy lang natin yung fur coat natin. Okay, yan ang ganda view nito sa bump. Okay, amen.